What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Today we're going to be working on my 75 Caprice. We're going to pull out the carburetor and replace it with a rebuilt Holley 4-barrel. My buddy got a 71 Impala, and we put my Edelbrock on there just to see what it would do, and shoot, it's running good, so we're going to leave that like it is. So I got me a Holley rebuild. We're going to check it out, see what we can do. So we're going to get right into it. I already unbolted this, so we ain't got to worry about that. So it's going to be I think this ½ inch. Yeah, it'll be ½ inch on the bolts. Go ahead and break them loose. Probably gonna need a short extension for the back ones. Might need, shoot, hold on. I might need a ratchet. I mean a goddamn wrench for that one. Let me see if I can get on it. Oh yeah, we good. Snap ring on here. We'll pop these springs off, get them out the way. See if I can pop it off. I don't have my snap ring pliers. I don't want this to be a long video, but you need to have some snap ring pliers too. So that's off. We'll set that up there. Pull this bad boy out. Hope y'all can see. I'm gonna have to scoot that light a little closer. Alright. Just roll that over out the way. We'll pull this one. Oop. I might have got tight. We'll go back to this other side. Let's see if I can get that light a little bit closer. So that's the Holley we'll be putting on there. Let's see if I can get this light closer. Without tearing up shit. Bust these other ones off. Damn, my baby dirty. It's alright. We get this carburetor on there. We're gonna go do a good detail. Get it all cleaned up. Got a show coming up in July, so gotta have it ready. And the other cars too, so we'll probably be putting 3 cars in the show this year. Then wintertime, I'm gonna paint the truck, so should be down for a minute. This a quadrajet. This like the original carburetor that these cars came with. This is 454. So we got all that loose. Now we gotta do the fuel line. Probably grab a rag and some gloves for this one. So I ain't trying to have that shit everywhere. Oh, rag or something. I hate using my good rags. Damn fuel and shit. Damn. Oh well. Guess we gotta use a carbon fiber. But let's see. Get back over here. We in West Texas. It's hot as shit in here. Oh, excuse my language. It's hot as heck. Sometimes that fuel line can be a pain, but this one ain't been on there that long. Like I said, we threw the original carburetor on here just to get it home from storage. So after that, we'll pull the vacuum lines off. That boy ready to come off already. That vacuum line off. Check this back. Let's see what we got on there. Oh shoot. Man, I forgot we did that. That one ain't gotta come off. I gotta get that one off. Like I said, I ain't trying to make this in a long video, so let me if it'll break loose, might need a backup. Yep, I need to. Let's see. should have got all this organized before I did this video. That's for the brake booster. Alright, that broke loose. I don't know if that other one. Let me see. Well, we'll find out here in a minute. But anyways, got the brake booster off, all the hoses off. And then people be trying to make this seem like it's hard. This ain't hard to do, man. It's a little harder to rebuild them. That gasket brand new. Let's see. I got the wrong outfit on for this. Alright, let's see. Let's see what gasket we're gonna need. Hopefully I got one. But we can use a square though. Ain't gonna hurt none. Dang. I might have to stop the video because I ain't got no studs. Let's see if this. Let's see if this one will work. Hopefully it'll work. I'll line up over there. I should line it right here though. vacuum lines hooked up. We got all the bolts tight. It's only 4 bolts. We got the hold on, give me 1 second. We got the throttle cable hooked up, 4 bolts tight, vacuum lines on. That's about all we need. It's probably gonna take a little bit of time to fill up the fuel bowls, but we'll see what she does. I think we got everything where it needs to be. Let's see if she'll fire up. Holley on there, double pumper, 454. I think we're good. Let's see what she'll do.